So now the last thing I would like to show you, if you are confused about all of those rules that you just saw, and remember, you are welcome to replay this video as many times as you like. You can pause the video to take notes. I'm going to give you a little rule, a mnemonic device, for remembering the number of sig figs in a measurement. And I call it the Atlantic and Pacific rule. So clearly you can see there is an Atlantic on the right and a Pacific on the left. So here's the first application of the Atlantic and Pacific rule. A number is given to you. We'll assume that's a measurement, even though there's no unit. We'll just pretend that there's a unit. 50,200 something. That could be seconds, meters, grams. It doesn't matter. I'm focusing on the number. If a decimal is absent, so A for absent, A for Atlantic, you will start counting from the Atlantic side of the number, that is, from the right. Skip over any zeros that you encounter on that side. So I'm going to just cross them out. And begin with the first non-zero digit. So the first number I come to that's not a 0 happens to be a 2. Then continue counting every single digit, no matter what it is, 0 through 9. Every single digit is now considered significant all the way until you get to the end of the number. This measurement of 50,200 has 3 sig figs, and this is according to the Atlantic rule. You use the Atlantic rule when a decimal is absent. Let's go ahead and practice examples of the Atlantic rule. So you have to forgive me for not showing you units. All we have are numbers. We have to assume that these were all measurements. 200, it could be grams or meters. That doesn't matter. I'm just kind of focusing on the number right now. Every single one of these 6 numbers is going to obey the Atlantic rule because in every single number, a decimal is absent. So A for absent, A for Atlantic. If we count from the right side of the number, and I'm going to go ahead and just skip over any of the zeros that are on that particular side of the number, whatever we have left from that point forward, from the end of the number, is going to be the number of sig figs. So 200 has 1 sig fig. 3,500 has 2 sig figs. 700,000 has only 1 sig fig. Now in the next example, it's 20,001. There must be a reason for 20,001 because it would be counted to the ones place. For whatever reason, the first number we come to on the Atlantic Ocean side is a 1. So therefore, since a 1 is significant, everything else counts. You may remember that that's the sig fig rule number 2. Captive zeros are significant. Then we come to a number which is really large, 6,200,000. If we skip over all the trailing zeros because the decimal is absent, we get only 2 sig figs. And then finally, 801,300. The decimal is absent, Atlantic Ocean side. Once we get to the 3, everything counts. So this number has a total of 4 sig figs. So if the Atlantic rule applies when a decimal is absent,